all experienced different types of seasons on our planet Earth. And those seasons can be best seen on a tree, isn't it? You see how the tree changes according to every season? So you see, sometimes it sheds its leaves, and then in winters particularly, you won't see any leaves at all on the tree. So these seasons, they're very different, isn't it? Sometimes it's very warm, like in spring, it's warm and very pleasant, and you have all the new flowers and leaves coming up on the trees. And then comes summer, it's the vacation time, we go for swimming, hiking,
and have fun.
and then comes autumn. In autumn, again, the leaves turn red and slowly they start to fall down. And then in winter, there are no leaves on the tree at all. It's very dry and very cold. So, what does exactly happen in all these seasons? While sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's hot, and sometimes it's cold. So, does the sun move away and again comes closer every time? Well, not exactly. Something very different happens. But before that, we'll have to see how the earth moves around the sun. So the earth moves round the sun like this. And this circular movement of earth around the sun is called revolution of earth. And when revolution of earth happens, you see with every month its position is changing. And if you see closely, you will see that when the earth revolves around the sun, it is not exactly upright. It's actually a bit tilted, and there is an imaginary line passing through earth. Now, what exactly is this imaginary line? Let's see. This imaginary line is called the axis of earth. And it is on this axis that the earth is tilted and it rotates on this particular axis. And if you want to know the angle, it's 23.5 degrees tilted. That is, instead of the vertical position, the earth is tilted 23.5 degrees. And this tilt plays a major role in all the seasons we see. Let's see how. So, when the earth revolves around the sun, then at different points in year, in different months, its position is different. So what happens when the earth is at this position? Let's see closely. So when the earth is in this position, then it is getting sunlight from this side. Now, if we draw an imaginary line to divide the earth into two equal halves, then what we see? We see that at this particular point in time, the sunlight which is coming is majorly coming to this side of the earth, that is to the lower half of the earth, while the upper half is getting very less sunlight. And that is why the upper half will have winter, as it is getting less sunlight, so it will be colder, while this particular portion is getting a lot of sunlight. That is how we get in summer. So this portion will have summer season. So you see, the lower portion is getting more sunlight and more direct and intense sunlight, and that is why it has summer, while the upper portion is getting very less sunlight and it is very far from sun compared to this particular point. So this portion is farther than this portion from the sun, and that's why this portion will have winter while this portion will have summer season. Now let's see another position. What about this particular position? What happens when earth comes here? Let's see. So what happens here? Here, first of all, let's consider an imaginary line which is different from the axis of the earth. This line divides the earth into two equal halves. Now, in the previous condition, we had seen that the upper part was getting less sunlight and the lower part was getting more sunlight. That is why the lower part had summer while upper part had winter. But in this condition, the things have reversed, as the position of Earth also has changed. So now we see that the upper part is getting maximum sunlight, while the lower part is getting only a very small amount. And that is why now the upper half will have the summer season, while the lower half has winter season. So you see how the changing position of Earth due to revolution has resulted in summer and winter season in different parts of the Earth. Similarly, for autumn and spring, the same thing happens. So at different point, the Earth faces the sun in different angles, and as a result, different seasons happen. Let's see a very realistic picture of it. You see, this is the actual photograph of Earth taken from space. So in spring, you see how evenly sunlight is being cast on the planet Earth. But as you come here, you see that this portion, the upper portion, is getting less sunlight, while the lower portion is getting more sunlight as it is tilted towards the sun. So this portion will have summer and this portion will have winter. Now again in autumn, the same thing happens. It's very similar to spring. That is, again, a very even temperature is received by Earth, and as a result we have very warm and cool climate at that time. So that is autumn. Again, when this situation happens, then you see the upper part is tilted towards the sun, so upper part will get more sunlight and upper part will have summer, while lower part will have winter. So you see how different positions of Earth, because of its tilt on the axis, results in different seasons on our planet. And that is what we experience, and that is why we experience different seasons. So you see how this movement of Earth around the sun, that is revolution of Earth around the sun, results in different seasons which we experience. And because of those different seasons, different trees and animals behave differently. For example, the trees, sometimes they have lots of leaves and new flowers, while sometimes in winters, for example, they don't have any leaves at all because of the revolution of Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.